What news do you bring from the front, Human Torch?
Death.
Shit. Okay, well, since he's doing the deep Peter Griffin laugh, do you mind pulling out some of, what the fuck was it? What's the fat kid from Jimmy Neutron?
Oh,
Carl! Pull out Carl!
Jimmy's mom has got it going on. It's all I want and I
Oh my god, that's fucking awesome. That's still PM, but now I love it.
Watch the full video right here.